Welcome to your weekly AI City update. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates.
On August the 13th, 2026, Google changed what a cheap model can do. Meet Gemini 3.7 Flash, the company's most intelligent workhorse model yet for coding and agents. The announcement arrived just 3 weeks after Gemini 3.6 Flash. Google says that pace comes from developer feedback and algorithmic innovation, not a bigger model. And that is the point. Flash is the model most teams actually ship with. So when Flash gets this much better, at half the price, the real story is about who can afford agent-grade intelligence now. For software engineering, the numbers are striking. Google says Gemini 3.7 Flash scores 43.6% on FrontierCode 1.1, a benchmark for production code quality, up from 34.4 on the previous Flash. On DeepSWE, a long-horizon engineering test, it jumps from 49% to 65.3. It also tops its class on the WebDev Arena with an Elo of 1588, producing more functional layouts and feature-complete apps in fewer prompts. And the launch demos show what that means in practice. One text prompt becomes a fully playable 3D game, with the image model Nano Banana generating characters and textures in real time. Interactive landing pages are built in a single shot, with Flash orchestrating subagents and Gemini Omni handling smooth parallax components. The pattern is clear. Flash is no longer just writing code. It is running production workflows. The same upgrade applies to knowledge work. On GDP.PDF, an expert test of complex document comprehension, 3.7 Flash scores 34%, up from 22. On Automation Bench, which measures real-world business workflows, it nearly doubles to 30.4%. Legal work improves to 90.7% on the Harvey evaluation, up from 85.1. The model also powers Gemini Spark, Google's 24/7 personal agent for AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in more than 160 countries, consolidating files, drafting emails, and updating status documents across Workspace. Google's demo of a static annual report becoming an interactive data story sums up the direction: models that turn documents into action. Now the part developers noticed first: the price. Through the end of 2026, Gemini 3.7 Flash costs 75 cents per million input tokens and $3.75 per million output tokens, half the original cost of the previous Flash. From January the 1st, 2027, the price rises to $1.50 and $7.50. The model keeps the Flash family's 1 million token context window, and it adds customizable thinking configurations, so teams can trade quality, cost, and latency for each task. Early customers quoted by Google, including Browser Use, LangChain, Harvey, and Databricks, describe agent results that used to need Frontier flagships, now available at workhorse prices. Taken together, the release reads as a deliberate move in the agent pricing race against OpenAI's cheaper GPT 5.6 models. On safety, Google says the model ships with updated Frontier safety safeguards against chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear misuse and cyber offense. In the company's own evaluations, it did not reach any tracked critical capability levels. So what should we watch next? Whether the introductory price holds after January, whether Gemini Spark expands beyond AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, and whether Gemini 3.5 Pro finally ships. Google still has not released its flagship. None of that is guaranteed, but one thing is already observable: the cost of running a capable software agent just dropped by half. When intelligence gets cheaper, scale follows. That is the quiet story of Gemini 3.7 Flash.
Thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe. Click here to subscribe for more AI updates.